Hey everyone! Jira dashboards are the ultimate command center for your projects. Instead of clicking through endless tasks, a well-configured dashboard pulls real-time data into a single view, allowing you to spot bottlenecks and track team velocity at a glance. Step 1. Create your blank canvas. We're starting with the framework. We do this because every dashboard needs a name and a set of house rules, permissions, before you can start decorating it with data. Go to the top navigation bar and select Dashboards, then Create Dashboard. Give it a clear name like Q1 Sprint Health and a brief description. In 2026, you can set permissions to Private, just for you, Project for a specific team, or Group. If you're building this for a team, make sure to set the viewers and editors to the appropriate project group. Step 2. Add your visual components. Gadgets are the individual mini apps that live on your dashboard and pull in specific charts or lists. Click the Add Gadget button in the top right. Browse the library and click Add on the ones you need. My top recommendation is Pie Chart, great for seeing issues by status or assignee. Sprint Health shows a progress bar of your current work. Filter Results displays a custom list of tasks. Step 3. Configure the data logic. We are focusing on accuracy. We do this because a gadget is just an empty box until you tell it exactly which project or filter it should be looking at. Select your project or a saved JQL filter. Set the auto refresh interval. Most teams set this to every 15 minutes, so the dashboard stays live on a wall monitor without manual refreshing. Step 4. Design the layout. We are finishing with visual hierarchy. This ensures the most important information, like blockers, is the first thing your eyes see. Click Edit Layout at the top. Choose a 2-column or 3-column split. Use drag and drop to move your most critical gadgets, like blocked issues, to the top left. You can also change the colors of gadget headers to color code your data, for example, red for bugs, green for completions. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.